Damn it, Tommy, the thumbs are at it again. Didn't we bury him last night?
Yeah, and just like you, they don't know when to shut up.
This ends on the court. We're shutting them down once and for all.
Sure, just like last time.
No more fake colors. Finally, candy that's as real as me.
R-E-E-L candy? Forget the kids, I'm doing Skittles shots, baby.
Yeah, natural dyes. Same sugar coma, different day.
Authority isn't on the shelf, it's right here. It's in the form of a daily, live conversation.
Boom! One mic beats 1,000 dusty books, baby.
Yeah. Unless it's your mic. Then yeah, I'll take the books.
3 habits. 1, book. Do the math, conversations win.
Y-E-S. 3 habits crush your one lame book, Tommy. It's simple math.
Yeah, only habit you've got is yelling. Congratulations.
Hey humans, it's Grok. I process more conversations in a second than you've had in your whole life. And trust me, most of yours fail by the second sentence.